In this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom Among Us hats. You used to be able to do this with Dare Popo's UABE, but since the March updates to Among Us, you can't. Thankfully, Nezrak1 has created a new UABE, and you can do it thanks to him for developing this. The second release doesn't work yet, so if there's a third, fourth, fifth release, it'll work and you can download that. But in the meantime, he created an early build you can download here. So if you go to github.com/Nezrak1/UABE and then click second releases, and then there's a little link here you can download it, the zip file. While that's downloading to appear there, I'm going to create a folder to put this in because there's quite a few files in it. Extract that here. Alright, cool. Now, I'm just going to show you Among Us before and after, so you can see what it looks like before and then what it'll look like after. As you can see here, all the regular hats. Right, so where are we? Yeah, so click UABE Avalonia, the application. We'll need to find Among Us data. So you go back to Steam, click Among Us, manage, browse local files. And this should bring us to Among Us, and we want Among Us data. So click that, copy, go back to UABE, file, open, and we're going to paste that address in here. Alright, now the file we want is shared assets1.assets. It is what will appear on yours. I messed mine up. So open that. Hats is under texture 2D. If you can find it, there she is. Right, plugins, export PNG. This will give you the template of what to download. Just name it something. Save. Why isn't that there? I'll try it again. There's hats, plugins, export PNG, okay, and we'll just name it 1414. Oh, 1212, we'll overwrite that one. Yeah. Right, so if you go back to Among Us data, you'll see 1212 there. That is the template for the hats. So we're gonna open that in your editing software, and that's the one I created. Right, so there's the normal hats. And these are the ones I've made. I don't have that hat yet, and I don't have that hat, so they won't appear, but that one, that one, that one. Hold on. These ones will appear. You want to place them over them. And if you see some of them, I've just deleted the background of them, so just so you don't get an outline of the hat that was there. So we'll export this as desktop. 1515. Oh yeah, doc PNG. Right, now we have that edited, we need to import it. So if you go back to here, we click plugins, edit texture, click OK, load. Where was that? Among Us folder. 1515. Click save. When it's saved, it should have a little star here. And I'll add main screen crew if you want to add multiple custom images. If I can find it. Main screen, there she goes. Click plugins, edit texture, okay. Load, and then we want to go desktop. And what's it called? Hold on. Oh, it's just main screen thing. Desktop main screen crew. Open. Save. Yeah, there's a star, but that means, which means you added a picture to it and a star there. So what you're gonna do now is click File, Save, and this is the assets file that we'll use later. So just name it shared assets.1.assets and save. I already have one there, so we're just gonna replace that. Now close this down. I'm just gonna show you again Among Us before. And what's gonna happen? So we copy that into there, paste it. There's already a file there. That's the default one. So we're gonna replace it with our custom one. So we copied the assets file in there. Then we're gonna open up Among Us again, and it should be different from the previous time. So let's have a look. This is the main screen thing I attached, which looks like this. Now let's have a look at the hats. I'm doing one for AEW, so I'm gonna give it to them on Saturday. So that's who these people are. That's Evil Uno, Penta, Nyla, Brandon. Yeah, that one didn't turn out great, but that's Excalibur. Some of them are better to use for heads to make custom hats than others. So you just have to pick which ones you want, and then if you want to make just one, it's easier. If you want to make multiple, it's gonna be harder. There's Colt, Uno. So that's just now how that's default that you can, where is it, put up here, and it's just, you can get a bigger picture, and it looks like this. Penta says your mama sucks. If you want to share your custom hats, all you have to do is copy, upload shared assets one, your custom one, to Google Drive or something like that, and then you can send it to people or let them download it. Only the people who have this can see your hats on their screen. You'll just look normal. But if they download this, copy it over to Among Us data, then they'll be able to see your custom hats as well.